Welcome to Mountain View Software's Business Rules presentation. The purpose of this lesson is to provide your organization with the know-how to easily select and set up rules that will standardize processes, provide alert notification for events, create diaries to keep adjusters on task, validate data, create data, and direct claims to the proper adjusters. Rules are selected and set up through the Admin section of ClaimZone. Access to the admin is restricted to users who have been assigned the admin roles. To begin, from the ClaimZone Search for Claim screen, click Admin. The admin home screen appears. Notice that about halfway down the admin navigation bar towards the left of the screen is the Rules section. The Rules engine is comprised of 7 links. The first 2, Nodes and Rule Sets, are for use with a client-specific rules engine. They do not apply to the framework that drives the general ClaimZone rules, and for this reason the nodes and rule sets will not be covered in this presentation. On a high level, the remaining 5 links will provide you with the following functionality. Rule groups. Rule groups are high-level name groupings for organizing rule templates. Rule groups are created by the admin user. Rule config or configuration is the point at which pre-selected rules are activated by the admin user. Assign rules. Assign rules provides direction for incoming or imported claims. The rules log provides a detailed list of rules that have fired. Corresponding claim numbers that were associated with rules will be shown in the results list. The email group section allows individuals other than an adjuster or the adjuster's supervisor on a claim to receive email notification of a rule event. We will now begin the process of selecting and setting up rules. The following is part of the pre-configuration process. To begin, click on the Rule Groups link. Click New Rule Group. The Rule Group window appears. Type a name for this group. The name that you decide on will not affect anything that an adjuster will ever see, nor does it affect the rules. It simply is a name that will help you organize the rule templates. Click Save. The Rule window appears. This is where you will select and set up your first rule for the newly created group. Type a name for this rule. Again, the name will not affect the rules in any way. From the Template Group drop-down arrow box, select the type of rule that you want to set up. This is a high-level grouping for deciding on the type of claim data that you are going to review. The options are as follows. Data Integrity. This group looks at a number of claim fields and produces alerts for data that needs to be added, for values that were entered under specific circumstances, invalid values that were keyed or selected, or modifications that were made to previous entries.